you see these two mails in your inbox, which one would you be more likely to open, A or B? Yeah, A maybe, because B look like a flyer, right? It look like promotional mail. And that's the same thing I learned from the legendary marketer Gary Halbert. So Gary Halbert, if you don't know him yet, he is a legendary about marketing, about direct marketing, and about direct mail. So he has a theory called A pile and B pile. So he said that when someone receives a bunch of mails in their inbox, the first thing we will do is actually not open and read each of them. They will sort those mails into A pile and B pile. So A pile means those mail are from your friends, your family, or your close friends. And B pile means the mail which are from the companies, flyers, or spam or junk mail, right? So people will sort out the mails into A pile and B pile. So say, oh, this is from my grandmom, it's A pile. Oh, it's from my son, it's from A pile. Oh, it's a flyer, B pile. Oh, it's a junk mail, B pile. So people will sort out those mails into A pile and B pile. Then they will take all the B pile mails and throw them away, right? They will put them into the trash can. So that's the same thing happens in the email marketing world, right? So when someone gets a bunch of mails in their inbox, they will not open each and read each of them. They will subconsciously tag each mail as A pile mail or B pile mail. So the number one mistake people are making when they're doing marketing is they try to make their email looks overly professional and look like a promotional mail. So when someone open those mail, they say, well, it's a promotion. They will just close it. They will just delete those mail. So when you are writing emails to your audience, you want to make sure you are make it look like a personal mail. You want to use your name. You want to use spoken languages or use informal languages. And you want to make sure you want to write your email as if you are writing to your friends. And that's how we do email marketing. So that's it for A pile and B pile. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.